Scotty on something. What is it? It's a nice blue cat. No, that's a blue cat. Hell yeah, that's a blue cat. That's a nice one. Ooh, that's a bread and butter cat right there all day. Nice. Hell yeah, that's a blue, brother. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Double rig. Hard to hold him like that.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that's a good looking blue cat too. All right, straighten up, catfish, straighten up. Hold him a little lower. Okay, a little higher. There you go.
Man.
Ooh, that's the super zoom. Say hello, blue cat. Hello, blue cat. Hey, how are you? All right, man. Congratulations, Scotty.
Thanks, man. Be going back in.
All right, that was off the skipjack.
Yep.
Nice. See you later. Wow.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your Fun Fishing Adventures channel. I'm joined by the one and only Mr. Anthony J. all day. We're going to be out here catching some skipjack for a while. Hang out, see what we can find out. We're going to do our own Kevin Skipjack fishing report. All right, guys, got me another skipjack. That's the best skipjack I've got all weekend so far. And this one hit on the jig. Rod over at Rod's Fishing Adventures made these jigs for me. That's the nicest skipjack so far. And the jig he's biting on was a white and black. All right, we got another one. Looks like he's on that jig too. Kind of got it all twisted up right now. Let me get it undone, we'll see. Yep, he bit on that jig too, on that white and black jig. It seems to be the color for today. Skipjack are starting to run and bite now. All right, there's another. Back on that jig again. They don't want that spoon, but they want that jig. All right, we got another one. We had a double out there, guys. We lost it. Got him on that jig again. Man, more fast action. Now that guy that just tried to get away, that is still trying to get away, bit on the spoon. Got another one. Look at that jump. Tennessee tarpon. Guys, my first double. Never doubled up before. This trip's full of new stuff. All right. Awesome catch. Well, that's the nicest one yet. That's a nice skipjack there. Compared to the rest I've caught, that's nice. Boy, he sucked that thing down too. He wasn't coming off. That's a heck of a nice one there. I hope he stays on. Oh no! My spoon broke off. That was a nice skipjack. There's one on that same jig. He's on that orange head with the white tail. Chill out, dude. They're not monster skippers, but they're skippers. Hopefully you find Gilligan and Ginger and Marianne and all of them while we're fishing for these skippers. Them were some slimy buggers, that's for sure. Bro. Oh, what is it? Anthony J had two, lost one. You go, Anthony J. Alright guys, got a little surprise on this one. Oops, hooked myself. So I'm out here throwing for skipjack, and this guy decided to come play. Come here, fella. Alright, hooked up with a nice little white bass. That's cool. Wasn't expecting him. Let's get him back in the water. That's better than throwing him on the rocks. What we got there, Anthony J, all day?
Nice little drum. Oh, very nice. Dome shot.
I know it now. All I had to do is look away. All right, guys, we got something else monstrous on the line. He ain't moving. He's hunkered down to the bottom. I wonder if that ain't a big old flathead sitting down there.
That's a big, big something.
It ain't moving.
You're gaining.
I mean, I'm gaining, but he ain't moving a lot.
That's all right. That's a big, big ass something, man. That's a big blue, big flathead, 1 and 2.
I think it's a flathead because I was watching him. He was just slowly pulling. No, before that, before I looked over to you.
I saw the whole thing was all.
He's coming up now.
Yeah, good. Get him off that shelf.
And he goes back down. What do we have?
Keep that rod, I mean.
That's up.
Keep that line up off that water.
There he goes again.
Oh, it's a nice one.
It's a nice channel, nice blue again.
It's a blue. That thing was way heavier than the other one. It's hard to land. Oh yeah, he's way bigger than that first one you got earlier.
You want him over here?
Yeah, it's just a little hard to land because there's not, you know, any good rocks. Dude, he slammed that thing, dude. What time's your leader?
50.
Oh yeah, he's got it all slammed up.
Slammed up good.
Bam.
All right. Got the second nice one.
Look at that. On the old Rattler. Want me to take the hook out for you?
Oh, it don't matter. You can do it. On the bling bling rig, as the old Catfish Dave would say.
Well, here you go, man. Oh. Got him?
No, I don't have him. But
Now you got him?
good as I'm gonna have him.
All right.
All right, here's another one, guys.
I'm looking in your cam. It's all you see is the body.
Well, that's all I wanted to see is the body.
Well, you only seen like this much of it.
Well, my arm's only so big.
Yeah. 'Cause that's a big cat. That's why.
There you go. That's probably 15, maybe.
We'll say 10. I'll
10?
go with a 10.
All right, there we go. We got these. These are from the skipjack we got earlier today over at Kentucky Dam.
That's definitely bigger than that one you had earlier.
All right, here he goes. Not an easy way to throw them out here.
The head.
That was the headpiece. The headpiece I didn't change. That's the same headpiece I've been using. All right, guys, that was fun. Let's see if we can't catch some more. Anthony J snagged all day.
That's my day today.
It is. You have snagged on everything. And guys out there hunting those big Asian carp with their bows. Stupid carp jump up against the damn concrete. knock themselves out. Then they do it again. Anthony J's hooked up.
Oh, big drum.
Look at that live action. Watch that rattle trap, buddy.
Just pick him up by the rattle trap. Damn it. Man. Well, anyway. Risky fella. Send him back. Woo!
A couple times earlier. All right, guys.
I think that's a little,
Yeah, that's a lot more stop than that last one. Well, I say that now, I don't feel all that.
You feel it? You might be coming at you.
You don't feel all that big. It might be though. He's still coming.
Another nice cat.
All right, guys.
Now that's the big deal. You got 3 PBs in a row.
It kind of looks that way, don't it?
Dude, this thing's freaking fat.
All right. Yeah, I'd say that's the biggest of all.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony, I'm supposed to remind you to get your phone out.
It's not mine, it's Scotty's. Here.
Arr.
Oh, here you go.
He's a talking to you.
He's a talking kitty.
Well, it ain't gonna do me no good because my arms won't stretch out far enough.
It's all right. Man, Scotty, you got, I'm telling you, you got the hot throw today, man. There's no doubt about it.
There you go, guys. That is probably 15 pounds, I'd say. Maybe more.
Scotty. My name's Scotty.
All right, let's go back.
Whoa. See what? Dude. I don't know.
3 PBs.
I think my skill's wearing off on you.
I doubt. You've been catching a big drum. Yeah, I seen him sit there. He kept pecking at him, pushing and pushing. I kept watching him, and then he finally.
Wham! That's the part I saw. Because
Yeah.
I've been seeing that carp looking.
But yeah, I sat there because he pulled a couple times.
I was packing,
Really
I was like
good.
this, and then out of the corner of my eye, I see your rod just go, and then when I looked, it's all pow! I was like, oh, crap!
And I got the good old catfish blood now.
Yeah.
They got me good on the top, on the knuckles.
Club. That's all from catfish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's get another headpiece in there and
Dude,
work it
man.
out.
Dude.
There's the damn fish on that.
You know, found the damn honey hole.
Guys, the rod didn't even bend. I picked it up because I was snagged and something's jumped on there for me. A big old drum.
Yeah, drum. See, they eat skipjack, man. I've been trying to tell people.
I just put that skipjack on there too.
Dude, that's a fat drum.
Well, yeah, just ate all that damn skipjack.
You can deal with this one. Nice, dude. Look at that fatty. Dude, that's a fatty.
Got a big old drum on this one, guys.
Picked it up, dude.
That's what it was.
I think this spot likes you today.
Something likes me today, apparently.
drums like you, blue cats like you.
All right, guys, there's my drum. You know, I'm gonna go with. That's probably my PB drum too.
That's a big drum.
Man, it's been a PB kind of day. And I was just telling Tony that pretty soon it's gonna be too dark to use the camera. So with this fish, I think I'm gonna say thank you all for watching Your Fun Fishing Adventures YouTube channel, and check out Anthony J all day. And I appreciate him having me down.
Big old drum. He's frisky too, isn't he?
Yeah, he is.
Waving high.
You good?
Yeah.
All right. See yous.
Later.
He even come back to say hi.
Man, Scotty, you on fire, bro. At this point,
That was definitely a good day.
At this point, I'm going to have to say that you're on fire. Which is awesome.
The first fish was luck. The second fish was more luck. Third fish was definitely luck. And the drum.
Whereas luck plays into it after these size.
And that was on the body chunk.